In the last project, I got the chance to work on the Spline tool. It allows the user to completely manipulate the spline to their needs within the editor. It comes with an extensive API so that any programmer can work with it. The Spline tool allows you to manually manage tangents, add and destroy points, automatically manage the tangents, and it allows for looping. The tool makes use of a vertex path generated on editor time. It allows for maximum runtime performance. The resolution of the vertex path is configurable. One of the extra tools that heavily makes use of the vertex path is the spline mesh. It samples the vertex path for the spacing and rotations of vertices. Normals along the spline can be rotated and will be interpolated. The method of interpolation can either be spherical, linear, or Gaussian. As mentioned before, the API makes working with the tool trivial. A tech artist with little to no experience with C# was able to create objects that travel along this planet's surface using the spline as its guide with little hassle and time. The spline tool is also used for the airplanes in the project. There's a spline at each airport for take on landing. The airplane also procedurally generates a spline as its flight path and then travels along the 3 splines to complete its flight.